Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your Solana from KuCoin to Revolut for easier access or spending. Today, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a KuCoin account set up and some Solana in your wallet. Also, confirm that your Revolut app supports Solana withdrawals. It's available in many regions, but always double-check to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see your balances. Find your Solana holdings. Next, click on Withdraw next to your Solana balance. This will open a form where you need to enter the withdrawal details. Carefully select Solana as the asset from the drop-down menu. Now, for the key part, you'll need your Revolut Solana wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and select Solana. There, you can copy your unique wallet address. Paste this into the Address field on KuCoin. Don't forget to double-check it. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits KuCoin sets. You'll also see network fees here, so factor those in to avoid surprises. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify with 2FA or email for security. Once that's done, your withdrawal request is submitted. Solana transactions are usually fast, so keep an eye on your Revolut app. It might take 5 to 30 minutes to appear. Finally, once it shows up in Revolut, you're all set. Remember, always use this process on a secure network and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, KuCoin's support or Revolut's help center can assist. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.